Your excuses are keeping you broke, right? A lot of people want to make money online, a lot of people want to be financially free, a lot of people want to be successful. But the only thing that's holding them back is themselves, right? Because all they do is make excuses as to why they can't be successful, excuses as to why they can't start, just so many excuses. And this is why in this video, I'm basically explaining that your excuses are keeping you broke, okay? Because if you take your excuses out of it and just do what is required, you will make money, right? But a lot of you guys fall for your own excuses. You believe your own shit that you're talking about, and then you don't take any action, then you don't start anything, and then you stay broke for the rest of your life. And guys, I used to be the same. Literally, I used to be exactly the same. When I was working my 9-to-5 job back in the UK, I used to make excuses myself. Oh, I can't start that because, it's hard, or I can't do that because I don't want to put my face out there, or, this person got lucky, or X, Y, and Z. I used to be this type of person, right? And the reason I was because I looked around me and everyone is exactly the same. And I was trying to be the same as everyone else. But then I realized all of these people, when I look around, what are they doing for themselves, right? They're working 9-to-5 job, they're barely getting paid enough. And all these other people that are making money online, they just tell you to get on with it. They just tell you to do what is required. And they're making money and these people aren't. And that's when I kind of thought about it. I was like, you know what? I'm making excuses because a lot of people aren't man enough to admit that they're making excuses, right? But the truth of the reality is you are making excuses. You're not doing anything to change your life. All you're doing is making excuses as to why you can't be successful and why you can't be rich, right? And when you start taking accountability for your life and your situation, I realize it's only then can you truly change your life. Because once you get rid of the excuses, once you do the action required, you can become successful, you can become rich, and you can become financially free. Now guys, I myself used to work a 9-to-5 job back in the UK. I used to work in Argos, World Duty Free, Sky, right? Before I said, you know what, enough is enough, I took the biggest risk of my life. I quit my 9-to-5 job, I packed my bags, and I moved to Dubai. I took the biggest risk, right? And now I make well over 6 figures a year, completely changed my life, and I'm financially free. But I stopped making excuses. This is how my life changed, because I stopped making excuses and I started asking myself, okay, cool. Rather than making excuses, what can I do? Okay, I'm feeling uncomfortable putting my face out there. Okay, cool. How can I resolve this issue? So what I did was I picked up the camera and I started practicing. Then I started making more and more content and it got a lot easier filming, right? So then I just started improving my content creation skills. And then I used to make other excuses as well. But then again, as I said, all I did was resolve the excuses I was making and I just put in the work. So when I moved here to Dubai, all I did was take action. All I did was learn the skills required to do what it is that I'm doing at the moment. And that's what changed my life. That's what's completely changed my life. But a lot of you guys, right? You make excuses and you become comfortable with it. You're like, oh yeah, I can't start that business, or I failed, or I'm not successful because of this, because of that. Maybe you blame someone else, maybe you blame the government. Whatever the case is, right? You blame something else. You blame something externally rather than yourself. You don't take any accountability. You don't try. You just make excuses. And my question to you guys is, do you think just constantly making excuses is going to change your life? Because I've heard some of the dumbest excuses of my time. For example, people saying, I'm waiting for the right time. There is no right time, right? The right time is always now, to be honest. If you want to start anything, the right time is always now. And when I quit my 9-to-5 job, I wasn't in the best financial position. If anything, it was one of the worst financial positions I was in. But I decided I am going to take that risk. I am going to try now, because the only way for me to change my life is if I take action now. A lot of you guys say I'm going to start at the right time. Never happens, because how do you know there's going to be a better time? How do you know that right now isn't the best time? How do you know that tomorrow things are going to get more difficult, more bills are going to come, right? I've made a whole separate video about this particular thing anyway, where I talk about life will always come in the way, right? So when you talk about starting later, life is always going to come in the way. It's never going to be as easy as that. And the best thing for you guys, to be honest, is just to start. Now, I have my own online coaching business where I work with you on a one-to-one basis, scale you to 10K a month by using the One Skill Consulting business model. Now, if you guys are interested and you do want to start an online business that can change your life, where you have financial freedom, where you don't need to work a 9-to-5 job anymore, where you could potentially make 10K a month, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can actually help you. But guys, right, all I want to say in regards to this is that your excuses are going to keep you broke, okay? Now, let's even go through some other excuses that you guys come up with. So I've heard people say, obviously, the time's not right. We've gone over that. But another excuse people say, right, is I don't have the money required, for example, to invest in a mentor. And I say to myself, okay, fine. I understand, right? Times are tough right now. I understand. But are you not going to try to get that money? Are you not going to try and save some money to hire a mentor? Because The thinking behind your guys' thing is that, oh, I don't have the money, so I can't do it. And then you just don't do anything about it. But how's your situation going to change, right? And this is why I always talk about hiring a mentor, because a mentor is what's going to change your life. And I'm not just talking about me, by the way. Whether you sign up with me or sign up with someone else, not a problem. I would rather you sign up with someone than not sign up with anyone. Do you know what I'm trying to say? So when people say they don't have money, so that means they're not going to try, is the most stupidest thing. Because I've had clients who haven't had the money, but have worked on a payment plan, for example, with myself, or other mentors as well that will do like a deposit or a payment plan, or they will find the money and then sign up with them, right? But the point I'm trying to make is, how desperate are you to change your situation? Because it's like, for most of you guys, you think you have all the time in the world, but that's not the reality. The reality is you've got a limited amount of time. The way inflation is going, as bad as it is right now, where I know most of you guys can't even survive at the end of the month, as bad as it is right now, it's only going to get worse because inflation is increasing rapidly and your wages, unfortunately, just will not keep up. So if anything, right now is the best time for you guys to hire a mentor, sign up with someone, learn the information required so you can start making money, right? And again, I have my own online coaching business where I will work with you on a one-to-one basis, scale you to 10K a month by using the One Skill Consulting business model. Again, if you do need any help, click the link in the description where it says work with me, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll see exactly how I can actually help you. But guys, right? Don't make excuses, because your excuses aren't going to make you rich. Your excuses are going to keep you broke. Your excuses are just going to keep you in a position where you actually feel comfortable with your excuses. I've actually spoken to people who make these excuses, right? And I know what it's like, because again, I used to be this at one point. When you make excuses, you find comfort in those excuses. So for example, when you say, now's not the right time, and you psychologically believe that, even though deep inside, maybe you don't, right? But you just find comfort in the excuse itself. So you're like, okay, cool, I've made that excuse. Maybe it's not the right time at the moment. I'm just gonna believe that and go with it because it's easier to do than actually start, right? So again, stop believing your own excuses, because remember one thing, they have brainwashed you to not take risks. They have brainwashed you to stay in the same position. The hardest prison to escape from is the one that you don't know you're in. And a 9-to-5 job is a prison, because you might not think you're in a prison, but this is exactly how they've convinced you that you're not, because you won't try and escape. If you knew a 9-to-5 job was a prison, you'd do absolutely everything to escape. But because you don't believe it is, you don't try to escape. And this is how they've brainwashed you to stay in your 9-to-5 job. That's why I say when you make excuses, it's keeping you broke, because that's the formula required to stay broke. If you want to stay broke, by all means, make all the excuses you want, don't take any action and live the life that you're living at the moment. But if you want to truly change your life, if you want to be exceptional, if you want to make money, if you want to be in a position where you're financially free, if you want to be in a position where you can travel where you want, if you want to be in the position where you can give back to your family, give back to your wife, give back to your kids, give back to your parents, right? If you want to be in a position where you can do stuff like that, you have to stop making excuses, because your excuses are only going to push you deep and deep inside the rabbit hole, and you're never going to be able to escape. And as I said, with inflation, the way it's going, your wages are not keeping up, which means that it will come to a point where you're just going to constantly go in debt, constantly try to take out more loans just so you can survive. And I know it's a little bit like that now. I know in the UK, especially right now, where people are really struggling to survive. Guys, if it's bad now, imagine in a few years' time. There's never going to be a good time to start an online business. The best time is now. So if you're watching this video and you want to change your life and you want to start a business that can absolutely change your life, give you financial freedom so you can make 10K a month, live in the country of your dreams, do exactly what it is that you want, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can actually help you. Now, if you guys want to know more about this business model and the One Skill Consulting business model that I've just talked about, click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.